Good morning. I'm First to Know meteorologist Ryan Gold. Clear skies out there, but it is pretty cold. So once the sun rises, we should warm up pretty quickly with those clear skies. But we got to deal with these low 20s and mid 20s first. It is brutal out there. Very cold. Luckily, we're not seeing any wind chill, making it feel even colder. Temperatures out there in Live Oak, you're going to be seeing lots of sunshine yourself. Starting off pretty cold still. In the upper 50s for you, though, by the late afternoon. And that seems to be the case for a lot of us, mid 50s to upper 50s. We are warmer than we were yesterday, but it's still below average. And we are getting closer to average tomorrow, luckily. But tonight, that's also going to be on the warmer side, actually hitting average tonight into tomorrow. But then we slowly drop down as that front comes over. The weekend will be freezing overnight Sunday, staying freezing even to start off the next work week. We're keeping an eye towards those upper level temperatures because that's the driving force between what's going to be rain and what's going to be a wintry mixture for Sunday. As we head into the morning hours, you see those upper level temperatures not bad in the upper 30s, but getting into the afternoon, you see them slowly move in to those lower 20s and those mid 20s, and that's by the afternoon. So we could get potentially frosty or freezing conditions falling from the sky in the afternoon, which could result in some kind of wintry mixture. So here's what we've got by 3 a.m. Not predicting any kind of mixture out here with these models, but they've been changing a lot. And they're probably going to be changing again some before we actually get to Sunday. But we've got lots of heavy rain with potential by the late morning and early afternoon to have some of that snow well off to the northwest, even in Moultrie, potentially seeing some snow. And while it won't show it, which would be pink, there could be a mixture going on within this range. So it's more of a wait and see situation. But either way, the rain will be here all day Sunday, making it a washout. And it is going to be a pretty cold day. So you might want to stay indoors on Monday, not just for the potential of icy roadways, but just because it's just not a good day to be outside. We'll get more of that sunshine by the later parts of Sunday, but we're still keeping an eye on it in general for that potential of rain. Overnight, though, whatever rain doesn't evaporate, stays on the road, could have that hard freeze in the 20s, making roadways a little slick on Monday morning.